My name is Paul Weiss. I'm the president and owner of G&W Roofing and Sheet Metal. We started G&W 34 years ago. And we do all phases and all types of roofing, from commercial to residential jobs to a small little repair job. We have a 5,000 square foot sheet metal shop with all phases of sheet metal work that we perform and fabricate. We have a computerized break and shear. We have our own machines that run the roof panels, and we also have a hydraulic brake and a computerized brake. So we have all the equipment that we need to do either a small residential metal job or a large commercial metal job, which we actually just completed the post office in New Smyrna Beach, which was quite complicated. We're set up to do TPO roofs, shingle roofs, tar and gravel roofs, tile roofs, any type of roof system that is installed. We install all of them, and we're certified to do so. And then also we're a platinum preferred contractor with Owens Corning, which means that we can install specialized roof systems for them and provide something called an NDL warranty, which is a no dollar limit warranty, which is for a lifetime on a shingle roof, which is unheard of. And then we're also a preferred contractor with GAF, so which means we can do the same thing on their commercial flat roofs. We can provide no dollar limit warranties for them, and also with lifetime warranties. The company's been around for 34 years, and we average 100 employees. And we've been around for a long time. We work in Volusia and Flagler counties, Brevard County, Seminole County, and Osceola and Orange counties. So we're pretty spread out. And our number one concern is quality. Yeah, we've been in business a long time. We've weathered the storm of life for 34 years and still going strong. And what's interesting about our company, which is unusual for roofing companies, is we have very little turnover. Most of our employees have been here for 30 years or more. And it's because of the overall company atmosphere and what we provide for our employees. And it's nice for us because our employees are well trained, and they do things exactly the way that we ask them to do them. Yeah, we're accredited with the Better Business Bureau, which is hard to get. We have an A+ rating, and accreditation is very difficult to get. We've had it for 20 plus years with the Better Business Bureau. And of course, we're number one recommended by the Chamber of Commerce and also by most municipalities and others. And we've also been voted the number one roofing contractor in Volusia and Brevard counties for over 20 years. We have over 50 trucks on the road, and some are for our supervisors, others are for our crews. And our trucks are very noticeable because our trucks are clean and neat and well organized, and that's part of our business, is keeping everything well organized. So if you need us for any reason, whether you have a roof leak, it's just time for a new roof, you've had catastrophic damage, or you've had minor damage, call us. We will take care of your roofing needs. We will come and do a minor repair. We will temporarily repair your roof so that the insurance company can come in and take care of what they need to take care of, or we can handle the whole process for you. But either way, if you give us a call, we will take care of any need that you have and make sure that the roof system or the repair that we're installing is exactly what's required and exactly what you need.